Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder, this podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, May 7th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of legal news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
California prison sexual assault lawyers at the Wagner Law Group announce victim hotline 833-200-7111. The Wagner Law Group, based in California, has been assisting victims of abuse and serious injury for over 30 years. Recently, the U.S. government agreed to pay $116 million to 103 victims of sexual assault at the Federal Correctional Institution in Dublin, California. This settlement follows reports of abuse at the prison, which was infamously known as the Rape Club. The Bureau of Prisons has agreed to open facilities to a court-appointed monitor and publicly acknowledge the abuse. Victims of prison abuse are urged to call the Prison Abuse Hotline at 833-200-7111 for support and guidance on seeking compensation for their injuries. Juriscorp Law offers clear legal support for probate matters in Alberta. Juriscorp Law in Edmonton, Alberta, provides probate services to help families and executors navigate the legal process after the loss of a loved one. They focus on making probate easier to understand and manage, ensuring clients have clear answers and practical help. Whether there is a will or not, Juriscorp Law assists with preparing necessary documents and avoiding common mistakes that can delay estate settlement. They assess each situation individually to recommend the right course of action, taking into account assets, joint accounts, and estate structure. With in-person and virtual meetings available, Juriscorp Law offers convenient legal guidance for probate matters in Alberta.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.